Hello and welcome to EduSpark Global. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find empirical formula in minutes. The question I have says, what is the empirical formula of a compound containing 40% carbon, 6.7% hydrogen, and 53.3% oxygen? To solve this, we're going to assume 100 grams. And what that does is it changes all those percentages to grams. Okay? So starting with carbon, we have 40% originally. That becomes 40 grams. And then hydrogen becomes 6.7 grams. And oxygen becomes 53.3 grams. Now we're going to go ahead and divide each one by their masses in the periodic table. For carbon, you will have 40 divided by 12.01, which is the mass of carbon in the periodic table. And then divide hydrogen by 1.01 grams per mole, which is the mass of hydrogen in the periodic table, and then oxygen by 16 grams per mole. Now, 40 divided by 12.01 is going to give us 3.33, and hydrogen would be 6.63 when divided, and 53.3 divided by 16 will give us 3.33. Now, these are their moles, okay? So what we just did was convert to their moles. The next thing we do is divide all through by the smallest mole, which happens to be the 3.33. So that will divide itself to give 1. Divide the hydrogen to give 2, and the oxygen to give 1. So we can then conclude that the empirical formula is 1 carbon. So we usually just ignore the 1, okay? So that would just be C, then 2 hydrogens, H2, and 1 oxygen, O. And the empirical formula is CH2O. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share to your friends who might also find this helpful.